capsule comes out?
Yeah, so if they have to eject, those eyes will go out through the canopy, and the seat will go away from the aircraft, whereas the whole front of the nose breaks away from the aircraft. Lighting the burners now into the signature maneuver and dump and burn. Crew complement of 2, pilot in the left-hand seat, the air combat operator, the weapons system operator in the right-hand seat. Hailing from RAF Base Amberley on the outskirts of Brisbane, number 6 squadron. 1 squadron until very recently operated.
Stealth aeroplanes, creating its own stealth by ability to penetrate at a very low level.
Another interesting design feature of the F-111, I think it's going to show us it directly. It was built originally to take off from carriers and land from carriers, so it has a very rugged undercarriage. When it wants to go out and fly the gear, the air brake is also the gear door, so there's no actual restriction on the airspeed restriction on when you can open the undercarriage, which is then the undercarriage. It pops out, big wheels are all folded up like a cranny.